Hey guys, this is Gar from Together Somewhere. We have been back in Bangkok for just a few days, and we have something really special for you. As you know, Bangkok is beginning to open up, and a lot of foreigners are beginning to show up in Bangkok and show up all over Thailand. And because we're here in Bangkok, Ann and I want to show you what the possibilities are for renting here in Bangkok. Today, we're going to take you out to several apartments in the Bangkok area, actually several areas, and you're going to get to see what's available out there. These aren't going to be the cheapest apartments, but these are going to be nice apartments in nice areas of town that aren't super high end or super low end, just really in the middle. And I think you're going to be pretty impressed with what you can get out there. Even though things are starting to open up, you'd think prices are going way up. They've gone up a little, but not as much as you think. So today we're going to look at 4 or 5 apartments, and we want you to come with us to see what's being offered out there. So let's get started.
Today we are looking for a condo.
That's a tall condo. So the first group of condo buildings we're going to look at today have all been built by the same developer called Noble. Maybe it's called the Noble Group or Noble Company, but it's called Noble. These were all developed or completed about 2 years ago. The first 2 buildings are called Noble B19, and this consists of 2 very tall buildings next to each other, building A and B. Each building has an attractive facilities area containing a full gym and pool with locker rooms, and each locker room contains a sauna and jacuzzi. There are also meeting and entertainment rooms for small gatherings. The first condo unit we're going to look at is a large 45 square meter 1-bedroom unit. These typically rent for between 25 and 30,000 baht per month. That would be equivalent to between $715 and $860 per month in dollars, US dollars. Rent here is a little higher because you're located in a new building and also only a 5-minute walk from Sukhumvit Road, the Sukhumvit SkyTrain system, and a major shopping mall called Terminal 21, all right in the middle of Bangkok's tourist area. Views of the city from here, from these apartments, are truly beautiful. Now there's a smaller 35 square meter 1-bedroom units in this building and also another Noble building we're going to show you next. And these sell for between 20 and 25,000 baht per month, and they're available in all these buildings as well. 20 to 25,000 baht per month would be equivalent to $570 to 717 US dollars per month. So after leaving the Noble B19 buildings, we are heading next door to another Noble project, also built 2 years ago, called Noble Recol. This is also located right on Sukhumvit 19. This building is a little smaller than the B19 buildings, being only 28 stories. I think the B19 buildings are about 48 stories. But this one's only 28 stories, but the facilities and the room sizes and layouts are pretty much the same. In this building, we're going to look at a 35 square meter 1-bedroom unit, renting for 22,000 baht per month. So that's a little more than 20,000. So we're talking, I don't know, about $625 a month. And keep in mind, these are all negotiable, and you can usually get the owner down maybe a couple $1,000 baht a month if you're willing to sign a 1-year lease. All the Noble building units that we looked at have washing machine and high ceilings. In the newer units, these high ceilings are excellent because units these days, especially in the newer buildings, are smaller, and the higher ceilings give a projection that they're bigger than they are, so it's a nice look. Please let us know if you've liked any of the units we've shown you so far. So here's a quick look at the pool, locker rooms, community laundry room, gym, and meeting rooms in the Noble Recol building. Now, let's go view some other condo units in another part of the city. Okay, so another really nice and relatively new condo is Life off of Sukhumvit 62, which is near the BANGKOK BTS stop, one down from Anut. We walked in and immediately we really loved the lobby. It's very comfortable, very well designed. It goes into sort of a window area where you can overlook the gardens around the building, and then they have this sort of library, quote, sitting room that's very, very well designed and very comfortable. I felt right at home just walking around, looking out the windows and looking at how comfortable everything was and the scenery around the building. In addition, it had one of my favorite games in this room, foosball, which is very addicting. I love playing this game. Right, you can see it right there. Now we're going to go up to the room. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 54 square meter unit. And we really like the fact that it had 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it was 54 square meters. Is you know, a pretty decent size. We had a couple balconies, one looking out of the living room, overlooking the outskirts of the city. It was very simply furnished, but you could also bring in some of your own furniture. It had a washer dryer. And then here's one of the bathrooms. And it goes into the guest room. You can see there's a door in the guest room and also out to the floor, out to the hallway. And a nice view out this second room. Just looking into the city. You can see there's some nice greenery down there. And this is the master bedroom. And this looks right at the BTS. You can see the BTS just a couple blocks away. And it's also got a bathroom right about where I'm standing. So both bathrooms go into the rooms and then they go out to the hall. So I have 2 doors in each bathroom, which is different. Again, I would say the only downside to this apartment was for a 2-bedroom, it was a little small, and it's a little simply furnished for us. The pool, these are the facilities on one of the upper floors. Beautiful pool, overlooking the city. And I'm walking down the hall, and there's some outdoor showers here. And there's also a whirlpool right there, which is nice. And there is a steam room and a sauna for both men and women. There's this steam room, the glass door. And this is the sort of library meeting room, which Again, like the downstairs was very nicely furnished, very comfortable looking, with a nice view of the city. And the gym, now this gym had a rock climbing wall, I guess you call it, and you don't see that very much in Bangkok, so that was very different. And the gym was very, well furnished, had everything most people would need to get a good workout in, some free weights and a lot of machines and ellipticals. And this is a sort of a garden area where you can sit out, and a storm was about to come. It was about to start raining, so we could smell the rain in the air coming. It was kind of nice, and you can make cookouts out there too. So this is the outside of the building as we walked out. Now we're going to look at two other condo buildings. These are older condos, and you'll find you get a lot more for your money. So let's check out the first one now. So the next condo is called the Waterford Diamond Tower. This is halfway between Prompong and Tonglo BTS stops, closer into the city. This apartment building, or this condo building, was built in the late 90s. So this building is right on Sukhumvit Road, and we're up at one of the higher floors looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Now, in this condo, you get 66 square meters for only 27,000 baht per month. And you can easily talk them down to 25,000 baht per month, which is only $715. So you can see the condo is a lot older than the condos we've been looking at, but you get so much more square meters for the amount you pay. So that's why, for people who don't need new and are looking for more room, these kind of condos are what you might be looking for. The building's older, the facility's a little older, but it's still a nice place. And the public domain area, such as this porch, are very, very nice. And the view you get out of this building right on Sukhumvit is very nice. You can't beat it in any other building, no matter how new it may be. So this is just a porch area with a nice pool and a baby pool on the side. And there's even a small area by the pool where you can order snacks and lay out in the sun. This place is one of the nicest gyms in Bangkok for a condo. It's got a huge workout area, all new equipment, and you just saw a Muay Thai area. There's a Muay Thai club there. Here's the last condo we're going to look at today. This is called Royal Place 1, another condo built in the late 1990s in the Soi Chitlom area. It's in a really nice area. It's a 5-minute walk to it's a 5-minute walk to Central Embassy on Sukhumvit. And it's also right off Rajadamnern Road, where there's another Central World big mall, probably the biggest mall in the country. So it's very well situated. So we're looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath here that is about 52 square meters. Very big. You can see it's an older building. Everything's kind of in older wood. They said they would replace the refrigerator for us. And we got there right after nightfall, but the views are very nice. I've been up there before. I'm with a friend right now who actually lives there, and the views are incredible. You can see all over the city, and again, you're in a very nice area of the city near 2 huge shopping malls, and actually about a 4 to 5 minute walk to Sukhumvit. The closest BTS is the Chitlom BTS station, which is a 5-minute walk. So you can see everything's older, but it's also bigger. The bed is huge. It's about a 1.5 king. And trying to get a view for you outside, but it's pretty pitch black. And here's walking out in the hallway. Again, it's an older design building. The inside of the hallway area in the middle is basically open space. And we're walking down to the facilities area, which I think is on the second or third floor. There's an indoor swimming pool and a gym, which we're going to be shown in just a minute. Here's the pool. And right above it is the gym area. And so this is the end of our tour. Please write us with any questions you have about any of these apartments and let us know which ones you like. Thanks.